Good morning, everyone. It's me, Leigh, with Victorian Dreams by Leigh on all social media. So, if you see this, you know it's really me. So, today is day 3, I think. Let's see, how many have we done? 1, 2, 3. We've done 3 pages of double pages, so it's 6 pages actually, of the Simply Astrid Scrapbook Kit. And I'll show you what we're going to do. Okay. Whoa, I about dropped it all on the floor. So this is what the kit looks like from Griffin. This is the one half page and the other first one. Go back and see that. Then this is what we did yesterday. And this is what we're going to do today. So if you want to screenshot it, go ahead. But we're going to make it right now. So let's put this off to the side. And I'll tell you, I went through over 350 pieces and said how many can go on each page. We are doing a double page layout, 12 plastic protector sheets. It comes with 10. I added 2 extra. That way it gives us 1 extra sheet of the pattern paper, and we use it when we cut it up, and we use it. So we have 24 pages. So I am ready. So let's move the right hand side off, and let's go to the left hand side and get started. And I'm going to tell you what you need, and we'll put it together. Okay, so this is, let me measure. I just measured it and still don't remember. This is 1.5, so this is 3 inches cut in half twice. So you cut it in 6 inches, then you cut it in 3, and then you cut it in 1.5 and 1.5. It goes to the top there. Then this paper is purple. This is 1 inch cut in half, half an inch, half an inch. You do that 2 times, so you need 4 pieces, and you need 4 of those, 4 of these. This is the paper we're using today. We're going to use the word amazing. We're going to use 2 of this size and 2 of this size, so get those out. We have 2 of these, journaling. We have 2 of these. We have 2 of the butterflies. We have 2 of each of these. The leaves are going the different directions, so make sure you get 2 of each, and 1 each on each page, so they're not they're not the same. Okay, we have on this page, we have this one, and on the other page we have that one, so they're going the opposite too. We'll go back over it. And then we have 2 of those. Alright, so let's get started. So we cut this into 2.5, wasn't it? See, I just told you, I don't remember. Nope, it's not 2.5. What is it? It's 1.5, and 1.5 equals 3. So let's get this going. We're using the extra paper that we have, and it gives it depth and color and contrast. And we're going to put this at the bottom. The other side of that paper is the purple polka dot, very pretty. We'll use it tomorrow. There you go. We're going to butt it up. We're not putting it on top of the purple paper, we're putting it beside it and butting it up. We're doing that on both top and bottom. 1/2 inch was kind of hard to cut. There we go. Now we're going to use one of each size, and it's going to look like this. So let's get me some tape and put it in 5 spots, 4 corners and the middle. And let's go ahead and do this one. And I'm making this series, it's kind of for beginners. You don't have to have a dies or a die machine. It's just what's in the kit. So what I like to do is make sure that this is even. So let me get my ruler and put that there. Let's scoot it over just a hair. Okay, that left us room to decorate right here. I'm looking off to the side to see. Put some tape on here, and it's going to go right here, and it is going to make sure that it is in a straight line with this, and it's actually, the purple's going to touch each other. I'm going to put that journaling card right there. And then this is going to go here. Let's do the word amazing first. Try not to rip it. It's sticky because it's a sticker, and it's a good little sticker. Let's make sure that there's no extra little holes to get out. And I do have that. So did I take out all the extra little? I did. And now let's put it in the center. And if you don't know this, I learned this in 3rd grade in 4-H. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we're going to go to the 4th, and that's going to be the middle. So we're going to put it, the Z, right at 6 inches. And it's going to go right here, and it's easy to line up because it's actually laying on top of that purple 1/2 inch strip. Let's make this straighter. Okay, so there we go, and the Z is in the 6 inch right in the middle. Okay, now we have this butterfly. I'm going to use my hot glue, and I'm only going to glue a little bit so that maybe it'll show a little bit of wing movement. See? Okay, now let's do the hardest part, which is this, and it's not so hard. So this is going to go here. Let's move that out of the way. Let's get the sticker off. This is quick and easy. And it's not going to get in the way of the picture frames. And now let's put this up. Let's get the sticker off. Tell me if you're following along. Tell me if you have this, or if you want to go buy it from annagriffin.com, or if I'm giving you ideas. And we're not going to waste anything, so that's the good thing. So let's put this about there. It fills in that little gap that we made. And now this will go like this, and then this will go on top. So let's unsticky this. Actually, like I showed you in the other ones, I'm not going to unsticky. Well, I can unsticky it because it's not going to be in the way of the photo mat. So we can, if it was in the way of the photo mat, I would use hot glue so that we could stick a picture underneath it still. But because it's not going to be in the way, I can just use the sticky. other one down, one upside down, and one upright. Let's put it right here. So that's what it's going to look like so far. And then we're going to do the rows. And we're going to put the big leaf right about here. So there is your first page layout, less than 10 minutes. Now let's do the opposite side. So we already know that we need the word sweet. We have all the same embellishments, one of each size, a butterfly, and let's just move this out of the way. Trying to do these videos and do less than 20 minutes and show you how quick you can do a 2-page layout, less than 10 minutes, because you know I'm talking too, and you can get this whole album done in a day, but you have to wait on me each day to post the video. So after watching them all, you can do them all in a day, or do one a day like I am and hang out with me each day until we get this done. I do not post on the weekends. I am doing all these all in one day and then uploading them and then scheduling them to be out. On the weekends I do craft some, but you never know where I'm at. School's about to start and I am going to be the assistant volleyball coach, so I'll be busy with that, helping my daughter. So yeah, I played volleyball years and years ago, and I do know how to coach it. Okay, so now there it is. It's matching. I already told you the sizes. Now we're going to match like this. We're going to put it like that so that it is matching and all. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is get the word sweet. You could change it up and put the word sweet down here and not have it up above. You could wait for all your journaling notes, not journaling notes, but your titles, like the word sweet or amazing. You could wait until you know what pictures you're going to put in. Let me see, did I get all the words out? No, there's quite a few. Where's my postie tool? Let's see, here's one there. There's that. There's the S. There's an E. There's another E. Okay, I'll leave that until we're done. So this is 1, 2, 3. Oh, there's one right there. 3, 4, 5. So the middle E is the middle of this word, and I said I was going to leave it, and I can't. So like I learned in 3rd grade in 4-H, you take the ruler, go to 6 inches, and the middle E goes right in the middle of the 6 inches. We're using that purple strip, and we're putting the words right on top of it, and it's going to be straight because there you go. Okay, now we need to put tape in the 4 corners and in the middle, and then we line it up and we get this lined up so that when you open it, it looks the same. So that goes there. We want it straight all the way across so it looks the same, and we eyeball, it goes there. It's just paper, and you can pull it up and readjust it. You do have a little bit of time. Let's go ahead. I don't think this is a sticker, so I'm going to add tape, and we are going to do the same as before. We're going to line it up and butt it up against the purple and put it in that corner. We're going to then take the butterfly and we're going to bend the wings just a little, and then we're going to add a dollop hot glue, and we're going to add it here, and there's a little movement. We know that this right here, let's move those out of the way. Okay, so we're going to use this one again. Take this sticky off. And we're going to set it right about there in that gap. Now we're going to get this piece as a sticker. And let's get the backing off. I've been following Anna Griffin since day one. I saw her on QVC and I bought the first item she's ever sold. And I did take a break there right after that, or not right after, a couple of years later, took a break and then came right back to her. So I want to put that right about there. And I think I have everything she's ever sold. So these are going the opposite directions. And so one's going there, one's going here. Where do we want the big leaves? I want the big leaves going this way, so I'm having it go this way. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this sticker and we're going to hide that tip of the scroll piece, and we're going to just twist it and put it there. We're going to take this sticker and we're going to hide nothing. That doesn't have a tip on it, so we're just going to put it right about there. Then we're going to take this rose, and it's the opposite of this one. See the leaf direction, and we're going to do this and stick it in the middle and hide those two, and there we go. There is your double page layout for today, using Anna Griffin's Astrid. And so I hope you like it. I hope you're following along. You can get this on annagriffin.com. So there you go, everybody. Thank you. All my links are down below. Victorian Dreams on all social media. Have a blessed day.